So guys, it is another hot day in Texas and going fishing. I mean, probably why you clicked on this video is you want to watch some fishing or oh boy, either you want to watch some fishing or you're just really just wanting to go fishing, so you're watching other people go fish. I'll tell you what, that is me all the time, and it is about to start raining. We don't care though. We're gonna go any weather, during the rain, bro. I be catching fish, busting them out of the water in the rain. Like, I went pier fishing 91st Street, busted like 20 trout, 20 speckled trout, and actually 2 of them were keepers. Actually, I kept busting them on a wrap trap. I kept catching like 14 inchers. Just kept hitting good bass. Not bass, trout. What did I just say? We're gonna see if my friends want to come join us. Probably give them a call in a little bit. But if not, then we're gonna go by ourselves. Gonna wreck these fish, I'll tell you that. Wreck them good. Gotta let these chickens out. Be free. So yeah, we got on the Alabama rig with like 2 different swim baits because the other 3 were, or the other 2 were bad. And we got our Guggen clutch. Y'all guys, let me know in the comments if y'all want me to take out the kayak. I'll be very happy to take out the kayak. And ooh. So yeah, it's kind of looking a little dark today. And got me some airheads. You know, I gotta keep the sugars high. I know that's not a good thing. It is now raining. We're actually gonna try this spot real quick. We're gonna try it for some reason. We gotta snack up. Oh. This is the only rod that I have that is so loud. The only rod that is stiff. I don't have any heavy rods. I bought this Alabama rig a while back. Never fished with it or caught anything with it. Ooh, what was that? All right, we got one. Without slipping on the Alabama rig. Let's go. About to slip. That's a, dude, that's a 2-pounder right there. Well, guys, just caught a bass. Ew, is that a parasite? That's a parasite. Get off me. There's a parasite on this one. What rig did he bite? The bottom one? Oh no. Dude. That's a nice bass right there. That's a nice bass, dude. This thing has so many parasites on it. Lots of parasites. I've never seen a fish with this many parasites, man. We got the good old Guggen measuring. Oh, he's right under a pound. Right under 2 pounds. So I'll give it to him. 2-pounder. I give it to him. 2-pound bass. This is a big boy. This is a big boy. Big boy. Alabama rig. First bass on the Alabama rig ever caught. Okay. Just got a couple pictures. What happens? Now that was the first fish I've ever caught on an Alabama rig. Keep slipping. First fish I ever catch on Alabama rig. I've bought this one for $20 at Academy. And I guess it proves to work. I really never fished it. Such a big, heavy lure. I feel like you need a heavy rod for this. He bit it where I expected him to bite. Cause that's all they do right there, sit right there to get some bait, get some food. Oh, no, no. Dang, why didn't I not set the hook? Dude, that was a big one, bro. There had to be another 2-pounder. Dude, he just, literally, he crushed it. He crushed it. Why did I wait so long? And now my thing's stuck, bro. Why did I wait so long? Dude, that would have been a big end. Oh, I suck for that. Got him. Got another one. Let's go. Dude, this is a 2-pounder right here. This is a 2-pounder. Actually, maybe. Just maybe. Oh! Oh my God! It's the fish hunter caught. Dude, this is the fish that my friend caught yesterday. Dude. Oh, I just took a picture of that. I just took a picture of that because look, like it's gonna be 1 pound. This fish is a 1 pounder. My friend caught this yesterday. Actually, that was yesterday's video. Oh wait, we gotta get this thing dialed in. Dude, I just caught the fish from yesterday. He's like 1 pound. Oh wait. Okay, wait, we gotta get this reset. He's like 1 pound. No, this is the fish yesterday my friend caught. It's like 146, yeah. It's the fish Hunter caught yesterday. The exact fish. Hey, but I mean, I guess I caught him again. Ow! Oh! Ow! Dang, that just hurt. Oh, I just popped my leg. Here, you go back. You can go back already. Ow! Oh, I just popped my leg. Ow! Don't do what I just did. I keep slipping. Oh, well, there's bleeding. Ow. No, my leg got caught up here while I was still down here. Oh, I'm so lucky my leg didn't break, bro. Y'all don't know how lucky I am. I am really lucky. Oh, we're gonna cut the camera off real quick. Over here? Yeah, I did.
This one, because you ripped that last time. I didn't bring my bag either.
Why?
God, I don't know.
How long is a little bit? Probably till it gets dark.
Huh?
Before it gets completely dark.
Oh, I already ate.
You did?
Yeah.
Lucky.
Huh?
Lucky.
I ate something real fast. I didn't eat when my mom's cooking. I should have, but I had homework.
And you want to get that done?
Huh?
And you wanted to get it done?
Yeah.
I'm gonna let this lure stay with you. Cause my lure's I'm not gonna let you have it, but I mean, just like I'm letting you use that one. Look at my leg. I fell right in front of you. My leg got stuck. Your left leg, look at it right now, and my right leg was touching the bottom on that. Your left leg. You're that one, and it's staying right there. And I was sitting down with my right leg on that dirt over there. Oh my God! Third bass of the day, guys. Oh my! I'm showing Noah what this lure does.
No! No!
These lures.
That's the ultimate guide of how to show people. The ultimate.
Why did I not have my camera on again?
Oh my God!
Y'all can't make this up. Different.
No, my God.
You can't make this up right now. You can't make this up. He ate it right there. That's why I said this lure is good. And you literally said, "You want to move down?" We're measuring this. Hey, reel in fast though.
Oh.
No, you'll hook him. Don't get it stuck. Did you get it stuck? You're lying, Noah. Noah! Don't pop it. I'm hopping in the water.
No. Now you're gonna smell like crap.
124. I think this is the same fish I caught yesterday too.
Oh my God.
Noah! All right,
I just wanted to try it.
Oh, poor fish. I'm hopping in the water, bro. Noah!
There's no way. I was about to say, let me use it.
Noah! I have to go get on my kayak. No, I'm not. I'm getting this lure back.
So I got it out.
You short lying?
No, I got it out. You know what it was stuck to?
What?
A huge catfish.
Did you actually get it unstuck?
Yes. I have it right
FaceTime me, bro. Okay, I'm coming back. He just made me run. So. I just ran back all the way over here to go get the kayak. Edge of the camera.
I had one. It was right here. He popped up right here.
He swiped on it.
Yes. Bro, he's right there. He popped out and grabbed it.
Let me see it.
No.
Let me see the lure before you cast it.
I'm fine.
I'll then fix it.
He was right here.
Come on now. Catch a fish.
Right here. He was right there. And he died.
Oh,
Got him.
oh my God, Noah. Oh my God. No! Noah! Noah! How do you like the lure though?
It's fire.
You're gonna go buy one now?
Yeah. Dude, that was a chanker.
It was small.
No, what? It's something.
Yeah, you're right. We're playing numbers game. Noah.
Dude, the chunker game.
I
Oh,
just-
you just got it like.
Noah.
Whoa. Tanker.
Noah. I'm gonna catch him now.
You cannot take it.
I'll take the fish now. This is not even our other spot, bro.
Bro, move. I'm trying to catch that fish. Oh, this is an overrated.
Oh.
Oh,
Oh, I don't think I have one. I think it's something on the grass. Just come on. Cast to the same spot.
I'm trying. You're in my way.
No, catch your first fish on the Alabama rig. Ow, bro, that cut.
Oh, did you see that?
Yes, I got it all on film. All on film. I recorded everything.
Watch, it's gonna go for it again.
Not really. Don't get it stuck.
Oh! Oh no, that wasn't stuck.
You have to keep it off the ground.
I'm trying.
But see, that's what bass do right here. They're looking for that. They're looking for that school of bait that's just sitting inside of here, coming out and in.
That's why I was swiping at it right there.
Yep. Noah.
Oh, it got stuck somewhere.
Noah.
No, it gets stuck.
No, Noah,
You
don't.
just have to move it.
Yeah,
You move it and it keeps going. That's what I did when you left.
Nah,
Look, just keep moving.
You have mono, bro.
No, just keep moving it. I swear. That's how I got it out. See, you have to keep moving it.
Bro, I can't trust you with this rig, bro.
Bro, I want to catch something. Did you see that?
Yes, I have it all on video.
That's why. That's why I want to use it. If you catch it, I'm literally about to scream.
We're gonna catch him this time.
No, please, no.
I have to get the content.
No.
You're right. We'd have to dedicate a video just to you. I'm telling you, there's gonna be one more. Nah, cause he won't bite again.
Cause he already knows.
You already lifted him out of the water. He's not gonna eat for like another day. So here's the deal. We can move to another spot, or we can give this spot 5 more minutes.
I mean, it's already getting dark.
Exactly, so we can move the other spot, or we can give this spot 5 more minutes.
I mean, I think you're already pressed. No.
No, it's not.
I think that was a fish you just caught though.
No, it wasn't. Like I said, they don't bite really.
Well, I mean, you should just keep moving. Who's this kid?
Is it a kid? Oh, yeah, bro.
Hmm?
He looks like he's goth. Alright, let's move spots. Yeah. Let's go catch the fish that we can over there. Oh, I hurt my leg so much. Alright, next spot.
Oh, you see that?
That was a bass!
Right there. Do you see him?
What?
Right there.
You don't have your sunglasses.
I don't have sunglasses.
Those are all seaweed.
Right there. You see him? He's moving down in the middle.
Oh!
Oh, he got bit.
Ooh. Oh yeah, don't fall.
Slippery.
Big time.
Huh?
Big time slippery. Look, right there, right there. Ooh. You throwing the chatterbait? Alright.
There's so much seaweed in here.
You keep casting into the seaweed. Oh. Oh. Just swim it, just swim it, just swim it, just swim it, just swim it.
Oh, he's right behind it. You see that? Oh, that's it.
Where?
I saw that popped up. That's it.
Got him. Ooh, that's a big one.
That's a big one.
Dude, your drag is so low. Your drag is... Dude, that's a monster. That's a monster. Dude, I'm hopping in. I'm hopping in. Oh my God. There's a 5-pound bass right there. Oh my God. Holy cow. Oh my God. Holy... Dude. Dude. Holy cow. Dude. Oh my God. Dude. Dude. Hold the camera, bro. Hold the camera. Hold the camera.
God.
Oh my God.
Bro.
Dude, back up, back up,
That
back
is
up, back
a
up.
10-pound bass right there.
Ow.
No, 5 pound, like 6.
Yeah, dude.
Oh.
Hey, this is my PB. Oh my God.
Yeah, bro.
My PB right there. Just keep the camera still, bro. Guys, look at
Bro,
this.
oh my God. No,
Chill
I'm
out.
just kidding.
Chill out, chill out. Guys, this is a complete tank. This is a tank.
Dude.
Dude.
Let's weigh it.
Oh yeah, here, just
thing.
hold,
Let's see.
just hold the camera straight, bro.
Dude, that is a monster.
Dude. I can't believe this is happening right now.
Bro, that's why you let me. Bruh.
Dude.
I'm not gonna come back out here.
Oh no, it's not working right now.
Bruh, I'm honestly kind of mad. You caught it on my rod. What is it?
Stop shaking. Stop, fish, stop shaking. My PB!
4 pounds!
PB!
4.
PB! That's a PB right there. Bro.
That's a big chunker. That's a huge.
Dude, I can't believe I caught this right now.
A big boy.
The biggest fish I've ever caught.
Really? 4 pounds?
Yeah. I've only fished this creek. Dude, look at this bass.
Underwater footage.
You want me to?
Yeah.
I don't know how good the quality is gonna be. Yeah. Guys, I have no words to tell you. This is my biggest bass.
Hey, don't kill it.
I'm not killing it.
happens when you...
Oh no, not that way, not that way, not that way. Not that way, not that way.
Oh, he's still there.
No,
He's still there.
No, it's gone.
No, he's still there.
He's gone.
He's right there.
He's gone.
See him.
He's gone. He's gone. He's gone.
Is he?
Oh my god!
Bro, you got mud all over my rod.
Let me see your rod.
Oh, crap.
Oh my god, bro.
This is honestly poop. It smells like crap.
It's that, dude.
Look at all this mud all over my reel.
Where? This?
Yeah. No, watch that crap.
I'm
No,
using
watch
this.
that. Look,
I'm using. Well, it looks like Noah caught a fish, guys. Let's go, Noah. Let's go to Noah. Let's go. Let me see. Oh, nice. I told you they still bite at night. Pick it up.
Okay.
You want to measure it?
Oh, he took it. Look,
Yeah.
in his mouth.
Yeah, I know. That's what they do.
Hold up.
Bruh.
Stop moving.
See, they still bite at night, man.
Let me see.
Turn it on. Hold it up like that. Hold it up straight like that. I'm saying it's under a pound.
Yeah, it's a small little one.
And open that up. Open that up. You gotta push it forward.
Like this?
No. Hold the thing back up. And just open those grippers up. Just push that out. There you go. And on the bottom lip. You gotta do it better than that. Right there. And grip it hard. And just hold them straight. Oh, hey!
A pound.
A pound, 0.1.
That's the biggest, I'm pretty sure. Or maybe 2 pounds is my biggest PB.
You want a picture?
Yeah. Hold up, let me grab them.
Alright. Gotta get the man his picture. You can hold him like that if you want, or you want to hold him like a professional.
I want to hold them like that.
Hold him like a professional?
Yeah.
Grab him by the mouth. Tell me what you got it. You can let go of that.
Yeah.
Alright. Smile. Alright, bet. See? Still daylight. Look. It's still daylight. So what happens when you have night vision on your phone? Hold up. Make sure you're okay. Don't slip. Just toss him face forward. Bad. Noah with a fish. Oh yeah, here. In my hand.
Oh, grinding.
Grinding the bass. So that's 5, huh?
I think so. I got 2. I got 1 yesterday, 1 today.
Yup.
Hold up, move.